I'm sure it smells amazing. Our good friends Joe and Jonathan are outside cooking for us.
What's up, Jonathan?
What's going on?
What's up, man? Good to see you again. I'm seeing what you got going on here on the grill. I'm getting excited.
Man.
Tell the folks at home what we're going to work on today.
So today we're going to make some steak and shrimp kebabs with chimichurri sauce. So something real simple, but you know I got to take it to another level.
Yeah. Are those shallots?
Yeah, we got some shallots going. We got the truffle hot sauce. I know you like your hot stuff.
I do.
I got the hotter sauce for you.
Wow.
You know, and we gonna make it happen. Look at that. Look at that.
Well, when you're saying look at that, we should point out that all these displays look amazing. Look at these cutting boards and all this stuff going on. Tell me what's going on here, Jonathan.
So these boards, you know, are actually handmade. So our company, you know, because of COVID and everything happened, so we actually expanded, and so our company, so Thrive, we hand make all these cutting boards. So they're handmade. This one here, actually I was gonna sell, but I was too attached to it, so I kept it myself.
That's beautiful.
And I made my niece.
I like how the logo's in there too.
It's laser engraved in there. And I made my niece ribbon the same one, so she got the same one as me.
So let me clarify this for the audience. If you're just tuning in, you're seeing Chef Jonathan for the first time. You know how Apple started out in the 80s and they basically just had computers, but now they've got cell phones and earpods and all that kind of crazy stuff. Thrive started out as a catering company with Chef Jonathan cooking delicious meals, but now you're expanding to do cooking equipment as well, gourmet cutting boards and all this sort of stuff.
Yeah, so we do all this stuff, and it's so funny, you know. I never saw it going that far. Yeah. But now we're in hotels.
Look at this blue line.
Exactly. This is my ocean line. So my ocean board line. So it's blue epoxy, and it's just, and we meticulously, everything's by hand. Make the waves and everything. So all that's on our website, thrivebychefjonathan.com.
Is that the Grand Hotel logo?
That is.
Very cool, man.
So yeah, you know, we got in hotels, country clubs, local shops. I mean, it's just
individuals. Yeah.
Individuals. Yeah.
Speaking of individuals, it looks like you put together some sort of Mother's Day package here. You wanted to talk about.
And this is so cool. We'll pull this out, but we got this package. So beautifully created. We partnered with them.
Let me. Are we getting this on the overhead? Am I punching you in the face?
Yeah.
Wow.
So
yeah.
So we partnered with Beautifully Created, which is another company under our umbrella.
Okay, I'm gonna show mix shot right now.
Yeah, there you go. So we got this laser engraved Mama Bear board, which is just this beautiful board. We got some premium tiles, 6-ounce vanilla shortbread scented candle, some eco-friendly coasters, and then we even have our own branded butcher block oil.
Man, you fancy, huh?
Man. So we want them to be fancy too.
That's right. You want the mamas to be fancy out there.
Exactly, yeah.
So you can find all this again where?
At thrivebychefjonathan.com.
Thrivebychefjonathan.com.
You can find all this.
Guys, if you don't have your Mother's Day ideas yet, families out there looking for something, what a great thing. A whole slew with this gift box you can get, or you can break it down and order individual pieces, I'm sure, too, right?
Yeah, you can break it down.
Just the candle, just the cutting board?
So just the candle, just the cutting board. We have some unique cutting boards like this one here. It's really, really fancy.
Yeah.
You know, and so you can get some fancy ones. You can, you know, we just have a wide array of stuff.
All right, lots of great stuff. All right, so in terms of cooking today, this is the first segment. We got 2 more to come. What are we going to do throughout the day here to finish this up?
So what we're going to do is we're going to chop up all these fresh herbs and peppers, and we got some fresh.
Those shrimp look amazing.
Yeah, these are local ghost shrimp, so we're going to get those peeled. We got a New York strip right here. We're going to slice that up. We're going to make it happen.
All right, stick around. You don't want to miss all this goodness going on with Chef Jonathan and Thrive. We're going to have that for you. More to come on Studio 10.
And welcome back to Studio 10. We are with one of our best friends, Chef Jonathan is in the house. I've been staring at the finished product over there. We're talking about a chimichurri steak and shrimp kebab.
Oh, yeah.
What you were just saying is obviously the ingredients are amazing, but the sauce.
The sauce, man. You know, steak and shrimp is steak and shrimp.
Right.
I mean, most things are just most things. But
I like that question. Yeah. That's really deep.
But it's exactly, you know, But the sauce, you know, just those things that accompany what you're creating. So sauce is so simple. It's just, you know, I say get fresh. You know, you can't try to make it, you know, with dried, you know, parsley. But we got Italian parsley, we got basil, we got thyme, we got oregano, some serrano peppers, and you know, so we already chopped some of that stuff up. Now, the recipe usually tells you to use garlic, like you chop up and slice up garlic, but I don't know. My favorite, I love garlic paste. I think we talked about that before.
Yeah.
But garlic paste is my jam because the more you process garlic, the stronger the flavor.
And it's just, you just squeeze it out rather than
yeah, you just squeeze it
chopping
out. I mean, I already got to chop all this up, so I don't feel like, you know, chopping.
We're lazy over here. But something that I love every time you come, Chef Jonathan, your ingredients, whether your cheese, your shrimp, your meat, it's always the best of the best. And you just cook with really good food, and that's important to you.
You know, it is. I think, you know, integrity goes a long way. And when I do, you know, like when I do private events and, you know, I go into someone's home or whatever it may be, you know, I want to provide the best, you know, give them the freshest ingredients. I want them to know that I took my time to create this, you know, it didn't just squeeze out of a jar and you add a little salt, you know?
Right, he really is the best of the best. And while you continue to chop all this up, speaking of private events, are you still focusing on that right now? If people are interested, can they contact you?
Yeah, so still doing private events for everyone. We're actually, we have some slots, so for Mother's Day, if you want to do like a private brunch or a private dinner, because things still are crazy. Things are getting better, you know, I think, but at the same time, you know, Mother's Day, on Mother's Day, the restaurant's going to be out of control.
Exactly.
So now we won't necessarily do it on Mother's Day, but if you want to, you can go on our website, thrivebychefjonathan.com, contact us and see, or you can give us a call. I think our number's on the website, but you can give us a call and we can set up a time and figure out what we can do something special. All
right, y'all. Okay, so we're finishing up, chopping up all these goodies here. What's next? We'll probably do it during the break, but what's next with the sauce? Yeah, so next we'll get this chopped up. We'll add our oils. So I'm gonna add a little truffle oil. We're gonna add some olive oil, some vinegar, and we'll just finish this up. We'll get our shrimp. I already started cutting them, so we'll get those peeled and get those together, and we'll put everything together and throw everything on the grill. Now, Joe is doing the last segment, and usually when he does the last segment, he eats like half of the food. So I need you to save me at least 2 shrimp. Okay, yeah, we'll save you. Well, you know, I always feed y'all, so I got extra shrimp. Okay, all right. I'll take care of it. All right, I know Jonathan will. Again, make sure you visit his website. You can also check out this little Mother's Day box along with his boards, which are absolutely amazing. All the details will be on his website, which will be linked to ours, fox10tv.com. Joe. Welcome back outside with Chef Jonathan. You're peeling some scrimps. Peeling some scrimps. All right, so tell the folks at home who are just tuning in what we're working on today. So we are making some steak and shrimp kebabs, and we are going to put a chimichurri sauce on there. Wow. So we got that done up. Look at that. So legit. So we got some truffle oil, olive oil, cilantro, thyme, oregano, just a bunch of great flavors. Yeah. What you looking for? Got some skewers? Skewers, yeah. So the trick to skewers, I think we talked about this before, but is making sure that you soak them. Yeah. In water, so that way they don't burn up when you throw them on the grill. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and start skewering. And put it together. So we got our New York strip cubes and our shrimp. And we're gonna just skewer them, throw them on the grill, and brush them with some chimichurri. All right, and it looks like you've got some finished product down there. So yeah, we got some finished product here. So these are good to go. Yeah, let me take this off and try one of these. Here, let me put a little chimichurri on there. Okay. Where should I set this down? Yeah. You're gonna brush on. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. This is how we do it. Oh, I like that. All right, so while I'm trying this out, remind the folks one more time, if they want to hire you for a catering event, big or small, a private event, if they want some cutting boards, if they want the Mother's Day package, how do they get in contact with Chef Jonathan? So you just go to thrivebychefjonathan.com. It's so easy. You just go on there, you can contact us, scroll to the bottom of the page, there's a contact us section. You can just shoot us an email, give us a call, and we'll take care of you. You can view all of our products that we have online, and we'll take care of you. Anyway, food,
and in the kitchen.
All right, all good. We'll have contacts to that online. This is the best, y'all. Chef Jonathan is such an amazing chef. Check him out. Check out all this stuff. We'll see you for more Studio 10 in a bit. Jonathan, thanks, man.
All right, thanks, man.
So good. And that's outside, the food.
I'm kind of sad it's over.
You're sad the show is over?
But hey, we'll see you Monday morning.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Okay. All right, y'all. Have a great weekend. Be careful tomorrow.
We'll be here.